जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 29th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, the very nature of yourself, that means very nature of Atma, how much ever you get to see, you will still be not satisfied, and that looks very amazing and marvelous to you. Unending marvelous thing is Atma. Oh Arjuna, how much ever you talk about Atma, still you feel that it is marvelous and amazing thing. You will not be satisfied that yes, I have talked about Atma to its fullest extent. You will not satisfy like that. Oh Arjuna, how much ever you hear about Atma, there is no satisfaction. You still feel that it is marvelous, it is amazing. So that is what is Atma Tattvam. Who is Atma? You yourself is Atma. Has anyone seen Atma? Out of so many, maybe one. Has anyone talked about Atma? Out of so many, maybe one. Has anyone heard about Atma? Out of so many, maybe one. Are they satisfied in seeing, talking, hearing? No. They are not satisfied, and they still feel it is marvelous, it is amazing. That is what is Atma Tattvam. Having this, the very nature of ourselves, realizing very nature of ourselves, which is being disclosed by Sri Krishna Paramatma, having this running in our thoughts, let us now repeat the same nectarious words which are spoken by Sri Krishna Paramatma. And especially these words are talking about us, talking about our greatness, talking about our marvelousness. Ascharyavat pasyati kaschidenam. Ascharyavat vadati tadhaiva chanyah. Ascharyavat-chainam anyah shrunoti srutvapyenam vedana chaiva kaschit. Om. In this world, whenever we get to see such a marvelous things and amazing things, whenever we get to speak and we get to hear marvelous things, amazing things, at that time, let us make an intentional effort to remember that I am the most amazing thing. I am the most marvelous entity. Like that, let us remember our original nature. That is what is known as Atma Dhyanam. Let us remember Sri Krishna Paramatma's Upadesham. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on doing all your activities as my service to impress me, and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall always think about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall be continuously inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my activities to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhum. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, after Narada Maharshi spoke to Dharmaraju, Dharmaraju started feeling very good. And then after few days, Arjuna went to Dwaraka to see all his relatives, Jnatuncha, Punyaslokasya, Krishnasya cha, Vicheshtitam, to meet with all his relatives and also Harichudan Narude Ginadu, and also to visit Sri Krishna Paramatma and inquire about Sri Krishna Paramatma's welfare. Arjuna went to Dwaraka. After he went to Dwaraka, he never came back for few months. Here in Hastina, Dharmaraju started coming across so many bad omens. Dadarsa Ghora Rupani Nimittani. Dharmaraju also started noticing that there is so much of change taking place in the days and in day-to-day routine of the people and in the attitudes of the people. People started getting angry very soon. People started getting stingy. People started doing all cheating activities. People started doing all sinful activities. Everywhere, wherever you see, whatever the activity you see, it is all filled up with so much of fraud. Dharmaraj started observing it, and he also started noticing that Pitru, Matru, Suhrit, Bhratru, Dampatinancha Kalkanam. There is misunderstanding between parents and children. There is misunderstanding between the relatives. There is misunderstanding between the siblings. There is misunderstanding between spouses. And that misunderstanding became so common. And also Maharshis Dharmaraju started noticing that spouses becoming so much stubborn to each other, and there is always fight between spouses. Then Dharmaraju started recollecting the words which are spoken by Narada Maharshi. Naradudadina kaivadi krurapu kalambu voche kumbhinimidan. He started thinking that, oh, Narada Maharshi already told me that there will be a very bad days coming up. Like that, Dharmaraj started recollecting whatever Narada spoke, and then he also started thinking that why Arjuna did not come back from Dwaraka yet. Dharmaraju went to his other brother Bhima and started talking to him, saying that, oh Bhima, it is almost Gataha Saptadhuna Masa, 7 months ever since Arjuna went to Dwaraka. He did not come back yet. I don't know what is going on there. Like that, Dharmaraju started having a conversation with Bhimasena. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 29th sloka. Ascharyavat pasyati kaschidenam. Ascharyavat vadati tadhaiva chanyah. Ascharyavatchainam anyasrunoti srutvapyenam vedana chaiva kaschit. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.